Welcome back to OG Superfly Garage. So today, we're going to be working on my brother-in-law's Chevy Silverado, installing running boards. So, as you know, we love family, so we help him out. At the end of this video, hopefully, he'll do an interview. So, first one on the channel, so hopefully he'll do it. You guys familiar with that term? You ain't rigging, you ain't riding. So, that's in full effect today. It's been raining. It's been foggy, and it's pretty cold out here, but we're gonna get that done. So let's go. So the support mounts for these running boards, it's on the body bolts. That's what it has to connect to. So that's why I'm having to find these big sockets. I have to remove the bolt and so on. Wow, it's a long bolt. Come back up. Passenger front mount, so it goes up in the front up here. So you're supposed to tighten all the bolts and leave them loose. I'm assuming that's so you can make adjustments. That's loose. I just cannot get used to wearing gloves. Just can't do it. It's weird. One of these days I'll get used to it. Put them on loosely, so that bracket's on loosely. I got to come back and tighten everything. This is the passenger side center mount. This is the brace for it. Driver's center side and then the passenger center. So this can be used on either side. You know, it's imperative in situations like this that you take your time, follow the instructions, and do it correctly for safety's sake. Especially when it's not your vehicle that you're working on. You really want to just take your time, follow the instructions, you know, don't be in a hurry. So anyway, that's my tip while I work on this. So that one's on loosely. So there it is. That's the running board. So I'm gonna have to loosen these up and slide these out and then retighten them so I can line everything up to where it's supposed to be. getting these bolts ready for installation. Now is the time where we have to be sure everything's level and adjust it and then tighten all the bolts down. So now comes the fun part. At times like this, I think, where's my granddaughter? Where's Xanthi? Because her little hands could fit in here a lot better than mine. All right, so this side is fully installed now, and the other side will be the same way. And so it'll probably go faster on the other side, so I'm not gonna record that at all. But the steps are the exact same, passenger side and driver side. And per the instructions, when you install these kind of running boards on your truck that have multiple bolts in different locations, it's really imperative that you check these bolts periodically. You know, maybe set up a schedule on your phone as a reminder to let you know to come and, you know, check these bolts so that it doesn't get loose and then you wind up getting hurt physically. So this is my brother-in-law. This is Ricardo.
Well, I just want to say it looks good. I like the job. It makes the truck look a lot different. I like it. So I'm satisfied with it. Did it good. Thank you.
Thanks, bro.
Appreciate you. Thank you. Yeah.
Well, we're all done. My brother-in-law's running boards are now on. It was no easy task, but we got it done. I mean, to me, it was really hard. Even with following the instructions, it was still kind of difficult, you know, getting into certain spots and whatever. So anyway, I hope you find the video helpful, and I hope you hit that thumbs up, that like button, and subscribe. You can always use your support. And always remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. Yes, he better do an interview. Today, rigging, oh, I messed up. Today, nope. Oh, but wait, got a delivery today from LMR, 2 big boxes. I believe it's some parts for the Black Widow, And there's more inside the house as well. So yesterday, something else came in as well. Who can guess what these are? Maybe you can tell by the shape of the box. But there's two. Let me know in the comments of what you think it is. Stay tuned. More Black Widow content coming your way.